off.
Hello and welcome to my horseback riding class.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Mom.
That's the first horse I've ever seen in my life.
Grab one
How does
horse
it
and
work?
just
Does he
You know.
bite?
Yeah. Do they bite? Can I have this one?
yes, just ride along now.
Okay.
Oh well, I have these horses. Riding was fun in school. Maybe I'll just post something so someone from school who hasn't the opportunity to ride horses will ride horses with me. Click, 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 click. Okay, it's sent. Now I have to wait.
It was so fun to ride the horses the other day in school. I could just look at the internet forum and see if there's anyone who wants to ride with me. Toot, 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 toot. Oh, there is! He's just posted. And he has a horse too. That's perfect. I'm gonna write him back that I'm interested. So I have to wait for his reply.
Oh, someone already replied. Okay. We'll just set a date. Click, click, click.
Yeah, on Saturday, it's perfect. So we see.
Action.
Okay, hey boy, these guys are gonna come over today to ride the horses, right?
Yeah, Dad.
Oh, there they are.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, miss.
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Mr. Henrik van der Borg.
Hello. My name is Mona.
Hi, Mona.
It's really nice that my daughter can come and play with your horse.
Yes, sure.
Hi.
Okay, nice to meet you. We let the children play now, okay?
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
sure. Okay, son, I'll be off. I have to do busy work to feed the horses. Hey, hi. You want
Hi.
to ride the horses?
Yeah, I'm looking
Yeah.
forward.
Okay, you can have the little one.
Oh, he's so beautiful.
Yes, sure. His name is Donkey Sugar Butts.
Donkey Sugar Butts. That's a nice name.
Yeah.
Hello, Donkey Sugar Butts.
Okay,
We
let's
ride?
go off and ride. Come this way.
Garagum. Hi. Okay. Okay. Oh, it was such a wonderful day.
Yeah, sure, nice. We should do that again.
Yeah, we should. I think you're my best friend now.
Well, we'll see about that, but nice meeting you.